Hello world, welcome to Coding Scientist. We are on lesson number 19 or project number 19. I am going to show you a GUI calculator, how to build a GUI calculator using Python. Alright guys, let's quickly jump along. So here I am going to show you my code. This is about what? Probably about 43 lines of code including spaces, and it's pretty simple and straightforward guys. I'm using Kivy app, right? Kivy is again an open source. I hope you install this in the lesson 0 which I showed you. Pip install Kivy. This is a very popular library to be used in Python to build your mobile apps along with Tkinter. You may use Tkinter or not, it depends upon your choice and it depends upon your application. Sometimes, most of the time, you can use Kivy only for the mobile app. Sometimes you will need Tkinter, sometimes you will need a combination of both. It will depend upon the complexity of the program which you are building, right? Anyways, as far as GUI calculator goes, so I'm using Kivy package here, as you can see, to build the calculator, build the GUI calculator. And as I said earlier, Kivy is totally free, open source Python library that enables the rapid and easy development of highly interactive Python cross-platform application. When I say cross-platform, either you can use it on Jetson Nano, which is an ARM-based architecture, or you can use Linux AMD, that is your laptop running on Linux, or you can use Windows, right? You can use your Mac as well. Kiwi's execution speed is same as compared to the other mobile development alternatives, like for example Java or Java for Android or Objective-C for iOS for Apple, right? It's as good as that. Trust me, it's as good as that. Additionally, in addition to that, Kivy has a huge advantage of being able to run on multiple platforms, just like HTML5 does, right? In this case, Kivy works best when it doesn't rely on a heavy browser, because we are running it on the IDE. You are not running it on the browser, and many of its components are implemented in C program, like your Cython library, Cython, Cython library, so that the most of the graphics processing runs directly in the GPU, not on the CPU, right? So Kivy basically offers an excellent balance of performance and portability and compatibility in various hardware and software environment. All right guys, so let's quickly run through this program. So again, it's starting from basics, right? We are importing the library, and from the library I'm importing multiple inbuilt functions within the Kivy, like buttons and button layouts and grid layouts and labels and stuff like that. And I'm defining my own class as my app. You can define any name what you want. The good part of Python is we can define and build your own classes within the function. So and then applicable logic excuse me guys, applicable logic for the buttons, like for example 1 2 3 and plus and minus, same way how the calculator works, right? And then I'm getting that through into the for loop with multiple other classes and the functions, and I'm creating the entire app built into the widgets which has been pulled from the Kivy module itself. All right, so let me run through this code and let's see how it works. Okay, let me run this. There you go. Can you see this, guys? Okay, so I haven't added much of color, but you can add loads of color combination. I just try to make it very simple, because if I keep adding that colors and the widths and different kind of graphics and stuff, that will keep adding the number of lines of code. So I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. So let's say 1 plus 2 equals 3. Clear. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Clear. Say 7 8 5 2 plus 6 5 8 equals to, okay, good, pretty good. So this works good guys. So go ahead and use this program and go ahead and use this particular app. You can actually enhance this app much further. I can give you loads of clue guys. You can start from importing Kivy, and within Kivy there are loads of other applications. You can start building a random password generator using this app, on the mobile, or you can use your voice recognition stuff to generate stories and make it more interactive. There are loads of things, guys. It's just that you need imagination to build, and you need the logic to apply to your imagination and write the sequence of codes. That's all about it. Alright guys, I'll be back soon in the next tutorial, next lesson, next project very soon. If you have any doubt, or if you need one-on-one coaching, do please reach me out. I'll be happy to set up a one-on-one calls with you. Goodbye.